Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy S21, and today I'm going to show you how you can use your fingerprint sensor when the screen is turned off. So as you can see right now, when I try to scan my fingerprint, it is not working, right? So what we have to do, we have to click here, tap on the power button, and after that we can unlock the device. But if you want to get instant and just unlock your phone from this screen, you have to go for the settings. Then you have to tap on the biometrics and the security, tap on the fingerprints, input your currently locked method, and then we have to turn on this option, fingerprint always on. So right now when you turn it on and go for this screen, you can put our finger here, right here, and as you can see, it is working. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!